thank you for clicking this video. And today's video, we're working on our favorite mentor, our favorite ranger, our favorite person. And that is Green Ranger, Mighty Morphin Green Ranger, Dragon Ranger, and Zoo Ranger, JDF. Rest in peace. And thank you for recommending to do this video. My man Stickosaurus in the GOOOOOOOO video. I do appreciate this one. Here's the process of just seeing how it looks on the program that before it goes on to my machine, on my hard drive to my machine. I am happy to work on this one at any time. I do love working on the Green Ranger. But let's be honest, before that, I wasn't. I used to mess up my machine. But now, we figured it out, baby. So let's jump into the video now.
Green Ranger power. 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 Green Ranger power. 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 Green Ranger power. Green Ranger power. Green Ranger power. Green Ranger power.
Thank you guys. No, real talk. Before you even click away from this video, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And also, do check out my social media where I work on so many posts. I try to get myself out there to all y'all amazing Toku fans. And with that, I also do recommend you to go check out my Etsy page where you can order your own patch we just saw today and hold on, any of the patches from other series. What more can I say? Go check out my Discord. It will be linked in the description below where you yourself can join a community of great, amazing people.